Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Beside me is a 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series, and it's in the shop today for a custom tune and upgraded clutch. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the notifications. These 79 series cruisers have the 1VD engine in them. That's a 4.5 litre V8 engine, single turbocharged. And from factory, they're pretty underwhelming, but once we custom dyno tune these vehicles, including an upgraded clutch, they are absolutely a different vehicle. So let's get this one in the workshop and carry out the all-important pre-tune inspection and get the clutch installed. The inspection on the Land Cruiser has now been completed, and as expected, it's all good to go. So now let's get it up on the hoist and get the clutch installed. Well guys, this 79 has certainly been well set up for touring, and it's had the absolute catalogue thrown at it with a great ARB front bar, winch, lights. On top of that, fitted off with an Armax snorkel, the clear view mirrors, the brush bars, and finishing off at the back with a really nice tray and canopy setup also. The 79's got a heap of extra weight on it, and it's also going to be towing. So when we custom dyno tune it, we need to take this into consideration so we get those nice gains for the owner, but also what the vehicle's been used for. Well guys, we've just completed the custom dyno tune on the big 79. Let's take a look at the results. When we first ran it up, it had 99 kilowatts of power and 327 newton meters of torque. After we completed the custom dyno tune, it went to 138 kilowatts and 644 newton meters of torque at the rear tyres. This was a 40% gain in peak power and over 90% gain in torque. I'd like to make mention this 79 has got standard injectors, DPF still intact, and all it has is a DPF back exhaust system. We've had to upgrade the clutch, as we've spoken about before previously on a lot of our videos, but the big thing is these standard 79 new models get amazing gains. We're talking about nearly 100% gain in torque from just doing a custom dyno tune. Have a look low in the RPM range at 1600 to 1700 RPM, right up to 1800 RPM, where you spend a lot of your time just driving that early torque if you're towing, which is really important to get that torque early in the rev range, is just really nicely delivering the power. What this means for you as a driver of a 79, it just responds better, drives nicer, and does it absolutely effortless. Well guys, another 79 series custom dyno tuned by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. If you're looking to improve the performance of your 79 and want to get those extra gains in power and torque, or you've got a common rail diesel, make sure you speak to one of our diesel experts or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.